discretion is advised. Do note that my drawings are really bad because I am no artist, and if there's any offense towards my pictures, I do apologize. Now, picture this. It seems that the Seahawks are going to the Super Bowl against the Broncos. Actually, that is actually happening. Instead, picture the outcome of who will win the Super Bowl. Not trying to be biased at all, Seahawks is gonna win! Or, yeah, okay. Well, so now let's say the picture never happened. Let's say there's an alternate universe that runs parallel to our universe, but is in a different dimension very close to us where the Seahawks and Broncos never got to the Super Bowl. Maybe the Patriots had better receivers to have Tom Brady get in instead, and maybe Sherman did not tip that ball at the end. He didn't, trash talk on all of this stuff never actually happened, and where Crabtree actually caught the ball to win the game for the 49ers. That could have happened in another timeline. Now, parallel worlds based by choices made from the butterfly effect based by different dimensions. What? Did you think I was going to draw all this stuff right here in the moment? Too much work. Right. So what does this have to do with parallel universes? Well, physicists and the general public have a theory that all possible outcomes of a decision actually happen in a different world or different dimension, away from physical reality, like two parallel bars next to each other. This means two realities play at the same time parallel to each other, called the many worlds in parallel universes of quantum physics. Time itself would branch off to accommodate another universe. Haven't you heard of space-time continuum? That is where our time pertains this dimension which we live in, but can also be in others such as the fourth dimension. Thus, parallel universes may be in different dimensions, yet we don't know about them because we have no way of seeing or knowing about other dimensions without proof. If time is in a different dimension, our universes could be in different dimensions. One theory is that there are people in vertical dimensions that have different outcomes to show the little things you may have done if you didn't choose them as you chose another. Kinda confusing, eh? That means there are ghost people of yourself doing different things based by your actions. It is just you can't see them at all as they're in different dimensions and have no way of being in the third dimension. Maybe because it's too small. One scenario of parallel universes is if my teacher was instead the biggest Star Trek fan. Like, say there's another universe out there, there's someone like me, and someone like a teacher like, you, and there was something like Star Trek kind of over there, and Star Wars kind of over there. So instead of a Star Wars fan, you would be a Star Trek fan. So my class would be totally different. There's probably another goofy and fun teacher teaching astronomy in the same way, except for the fact that he likes Star Trek and uses Star Trek terms, which in my mind seems more scientific than Star Wars. But I have no proof of that. I guess Spock would logically agree it would be better than that universe. If every universe began from another universe, where did it all begin? The Big Bang Theory was thought to start the universe. Oh, well, see, the thing is, I don't think so. Probably because there's no proof, and that's what all the teachers would tell you. See, our universe could be made from another universe based off the Big Bang Theory, but instead of atoms and molecular structures forming, it would be universes colliding with each other. Thus multiverses and, not parallel actually. The only thing is that humans don't think that they are in different universes because humans are self-centered and can only consider the observable universe and is only skeptical about all other theories. Consider this theory of multiple realities in different dimensions for parallel universes a theory that I believe, and if you think this theory is wrong for your ideology and mine, it is because none of these theories have any experimental proof. If you have any more questions about parallel universes, learn more from Minute Physics at YouTube. Hit the like button, it only takes 1.4 seconds to do so, and don't forget to subscribe. If you do not subscribe, do note that an alternate parallel universe you did subscribe may make another parallel universe and change your alternate life, but not yours.